In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Outlook. Sometimes being in a different time zone than your email settings can cause confusion with meeting invitations and scheduling. Adjusting the time zone to match your current location or to synchronize with your preferred time zone can make managing your calendar much more straightforward. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to access your Outlook account by signing in through your web browser. Once successfully logged in and your inbox is open, direct your attention to the upper right side of the screen. Here, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu revealing a range of options available for you to adjust according to your needs. Within this drop-down menu, look for an option labeled View All Outlook Settings or something similar. Clicking this will open a comprehensive settings window. In this window, you'll notice a sidebar on the left with several different categories of settings. For changing your time zone, you should find and click on the General category. This area includes broader settings related to overall account preferences, including language and appearance options. After clicking on General, you'll notice a sub-option called Time and Language. This section is specifically tailored to your time configurations and language preferences. Clicking on this will provide further settings adjustments. To proceed, locate the time zone setting. This is where you can define the primary time zone you wish your Outlook account to adhere to. Next, you'll see an option marked Change. Click on this to bring up a menu with a list of available time zones from around the world. The list is extensive, providing you with the opportunity to select the time zone that best suits your current geographic location or your preference based on where you conduct most of your business. Simply scroll through the list and click on the desired time zone to select it. Once you've made your selection, be sure to save your changes. Generally, there will be a Save button at the bottom or the top of the settings panel. Clicking this will apply your new time zone choice across your Outlook account, ensuring all your calendar events and email timestamps align properly. And that's it. You're all set with the correct time zone configured for your Outlook account. This adjustment allows for greater accuracy with time-sensitive events, keeping you organized and on schedule no matter where you are around the globe. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide on how to change your time zone in Outlook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy scheduling!